Hey, it's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley, author of the book, A Setback is a Set Up for Comeback. I'm telling all my clients that we must not waste this crisis because history teaches us that there will be more crises and challenging times in the future. And if you live long enough, you're going to be able to have to go through them. So you need to learn lessons from this crisis so we are better able to handle challenging times in the future. We should learn from our past experiences. There's an old tale about a little boy who smelled hot rolls in the kitchen and went to get one and touched the hot pan, which was very hot. He burned his hand and refused to touch any more pans, hot or cold, because he was afraid he would burn his hands. He missed a lot of hot, tasty rolls because of his past experiences. Don't let the fears of the past keep you from enjoying the joys of today and tomorrow. Look, learn from the past so you can grow from it and go to the next level. Don't let it stop you, though, from living your best life. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Go to winwithwillie.com for resources to help you win more. And remember to make the most of every minute because your best is yet